Hello and welcome to day number 8, sent to you from Bulgaria. At least to start the first 200 kilometers. After that we will be in the north of Greece. And I hope we're gonna spend some hours today already riding the mountains in Greece today. Should take us 3 hours to get to the border. I hope the border goes quick. And then it is theoretically 2 o'clock. So we still have 6 hours in the mountains theoretically, which would be very nice. Still not used to the Bulgarian roads. I think this is kind of like a motorway, but I don't know if it's a mix of a dual carriageway and an expressway or autobahn. They have like the ramps and everything, but the road themselves look a little bit narrow. At least for a motorway. Ah, no, I didn't watch, but I guess we go straight. Yes. We still go straight to Haskovo, and then Kirkovo, and then we're at the border. Anyway, that's it for now. Enjoy the map, that way you know how far we get in the Greek mountains.
My phone lights up, but it's never you. I can't help but feel so lonely. I know there's things that I can't undo. I'm falling apart so slowly. Come alive when we're faded. The summer nights that we're chasing. Want this feeling to last forever, forever. I know it's hard for you to stand, but I can make it another day. Feel so lonely. I know there's things that I can't undo. I'm falling apart so slowly. Come alive when we're faded.
So looks like we are coming into the mountains between Bulgaria and Greece. Even though it's a highway, I think the road is really nice. The speed limit is ridiculous because I think it's 60 and nobody's doing 60. They're all going 80 or something. And yeah, I do a little bit more. I don't know what the police is doing here. I just sit on the side of the street. I drove past them way too fast a couple of times. But they just keep sitting there. I think they just are not bothered to follow us. 50 meter police. Let's see, maybe they stop us now. Nope, just a station.
Want this feeling to last forever, forever.
Oh, we're getting really close to the grease border. I really don't trust this asphalt. Some places it's so slippery. But here it seems okay. What is that? Police? That's blue lights. Well, he stops. Ah, don't scare me, fuckers. Meters, then we are at the customs. There's a 20, there's a 40, there's a 20. Interesting. I'm not a truck.
A few moments later.
And we are in Greece. Doesn't look so bad. How's the asphalt? Feels a little bit grippier. And there are cows in the middle of the road. Come on! There is no grass here. You look really angry.
My phone lights up, but it's never you. I can't help but feel so lonely. I know there's things that I can't undo. I'm falling apart so slowly. We come alive when we're faded. The summer nights that we're chasing. Want this feeling to last forever, forever. I know it's hard for you to stay, but I can make it another day without you.
Tamo doesn't trust the asphalt. That one seems okay. I think that is the fucking crap. Ah, there comes the special road. And now we are in the Greece mountains. Should be some awesome roads up here, according to Google Street View. It's slippery. Dangerous turns ahead. Nice. That way? Holy shit, it goes from 40 to 50. And it has potholes, of course. Hey there, cow. Hey there, young cow. Hey, there's a wild dog. So they are up here too. They probably get Temo. Oh, he got rid of them. Yes, we go this way. Dangerous turns ahead. No shit. Ah, this asphalt actually feels grippy. So we're actually on the way back to Xanthi. We could have continued on the mountain roads, but we wouldn't have got to our hotel before 10 or 11 at night, and I guess here it gets dark around 8 o'clock. I would have had these mountain roads with this white asphalt, which is really slippery, sand and potholes in the dark. So we said no thanks. We head back to Xanthi and take a new trade tomorrow. And hope that we get tomorrow to Mount Olympus. The only thing we have to do is find a shady spot on top of the hill where we hopefully have good internet connection. I was hoping there is one here, but it isn't. Anyway, now you know the plan. See you tomorrow.